Are you ready to revolutionize how your business communicates with customers using powerful chatbots? Chatfuel is a robust chatbot platform designed to engage with customers across popular social media channels. With Chatfuel, automating customer support and lead generation has never been easier or more personalized than before. A standout feature is its user-friendly interface with a drag-and-drop flow builder for anyone to create chat automations. Imagine building complex chat flows without writing a single line of code. Yes, it's that simple. Conditional logic allows businesses to create tailored conversations that adapt to user input and preferences seamlessly. Chatfuel also excels at collecting user data, empowering you to store insights in unlimited custom attributes. Need to keep customers informed? Automate newsletters, promotions, and alerts to keep engagement high and consistent. With the ChatGPT integration, chatbots can deliver intelligent, AI-generated responses while ensuring smooth user experiences. Power up your business with Chatfuel's comprehensive tools designed to enhance customer interactions and support effectively. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the links below and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content from Resource Link AI.